Guys, I want to show you how you can properly install the updates of the Intel Graphic HD. So make sure you use this a Intel driver. I mean Intel Graphic on your laptop or on your PC. You can check it out on a DXDX. You can Windows run by a push a button Windows and R. So as you can see, I'm using the Intel UHD graphics here. So you can search on the website. The first time you install this Intel, make sure you install this software first. After that, you can open the software, the Intel software on your laptop, on your system. And this is the Intel Graphic Command Center. So you can update properly via eGraphic Command Center here, updates. You can click it and just wait. If there is any update, will be informed in here. So you can update your system via Intel Graphic Command Center. And also here you can download graphic driver, download latest version, and directly jump into the intel.com. Here you can automatically update your driver and software here. You can select your product, for example, the graphic, and you can search manually the driver from here. So please feel to try update your Intel graphic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next